Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Bites. Today we're going to be making your classic Jiffy corn casserole recipe, which makes as a perfect side dish to your Thanksgiving dinner. And as always, this recipe will be in the description below or on my website at sarahsbites.com. Start off by grabbing 2 eggs and beating those together. Then you're going to get 1 cup or 8 ounces of unsalted butter melted and add it to the eggs, and go ahead and just stir those together as well. This entire recipe has very few ingredients and is all made in one bowl, so it's just super quick and simple to make. Next, grab 8 ounces or 1 cup of sour cream, and you're gonna mix that with the butter and eggs. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up below and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, and you want to get notifications of when I post a new recipe video each week, go ahead and hit that bell notification, and that'll remind you that I have a recipe coming out. Now grab your box of Jiffy and you're just gonna put that in. It's that little blue 8.5 ounce mix of cornmeal. So just mix all of that with the rest of the ingredients. I've tried very many variations for this corn casserole recipe by doing it from scratch or changing the butter and egg ratio. And as they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So very, very, very true with this recipe in my opinion, because I just always go back to the classic Jiffy recipe. Now go ahead and add in 1 can of creamed corn, and then you're gonna add 1 can of whole corn kernels as well. Just make sure that you drain all that water out of there. Mix everything together one more time and just don't over stir it, and go ahead and grab your 9x9 pan, and you guys can use a bigger one. It'll just be a little thinner. I like my corn casserole to have thicker slices, so that's why I use a 9x9, and you can spray it down if it's not a non-stick. If you have a non-stick one, no worries on spraying that down. There is enough butter in the actual recipe to where it will not stick to the bottom. Go ahead and bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. And I stuck a toothpick inside mine and it did come out clean at 55 minutes. So it came out perfectly. And I hope you guys love this. It's super easy to make, as you can tell, very minimal ingredients, and you can mix it all in one bowl, stick it in the oven, and it's good to go. I hope you all have an amazing Thanksgiving, a great holiday weekend, and hopefully get to enjoy some quality time with your families. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.